Welcome to this presentation on how to write the CIPD Level 5 questions for 5CO01 assessment for 2025-26. You can visit our website by clicking on link provided in comment sections or chat with us on WhatsApp on clicking link to get best expert help. You will find how to write this question in this video. Kindly subscribe us to and message us on. Retention is a critical stage of the employee life cycle, particularly within a care setting such as Calmere House. High employee turnover disrupts continuity of care, which directly affects resident well-being and satisfaction. In this case, we can see that turnover and sickness absence have increased following the acquisition, leading to greater reliance on agency workers. This creates inconsistency, increases costs, and weakens team cohesion. Effective retention strategies reduce recruitment expenditure, lower agency dependency, and improve morale. Importantly, stable staffing supports Chaffinch Group's strategic objective of filling 100% of resident rooms within 6 months, as families are more likely to choose a care home with experienced and committed staff. Therefore, the people manager, recruitment advisor, and employment relations case advisor all play a crucial role in stabilizing the workforce and rebuilding engagement. The people manager plays a strategic role in improving retention by addressing cultural and structural issues. Firstly, they can introduce employee engagement surveys, well-being initiatives, and feedback mechanisms to understand why employees are leaving. Secondly, reviewing workloads and the hierarchical structure may help reduce stress and burnout. Given that CATH's autocratic style contrasts sharply with the previous consultative culture, the people manager could provide leadership development and coaching to encourage a more inclusive approach. Clear communication strategies, such as team briefings and consultation forums, would rebuild trust and transparency. While standardized policies are necessary across Chaffinch Group, the people manager should ensure these are implemented fairly and sensitively, maintaining the caring ethos that originally defined Calmere House. By focusing on engagement, communication, and supportive leadership, the people manager directly strengthens employee commitment and long-term retention. The recruitment advisor supports retention by improving the quality and suitability of new hires. Currently, agency workers are appointed without further assessment by Chaffinch Group, which increases the risk of poor cultural fit. Introducing values-based recruitment, including behavioral interviews and scenario-based assessments, would ensure candidates align with the organization's care-focused values. Strengthening onboarding is equally important. Previously, Calmere House embedded its heritage and ethos into induction. Reintroducing structured onboarding, mentoring, and probation reviews would help new employees integrate effectively. Reducing reliance on agency workers and focusing on permanent recruitment improves team stability and resident relationships. The recruitment advisor can also analyze turnover data to identify patterns, such as exits within the first 6 months, and adjust recruitment strategies accordingly. By prioritizing quality over speed, the recruitment advisor contributes significantly to long-term workforce stability. The employment relations case advisor plays an essential role in maintaining fairness and trust. Rising sickness absence and dissatisfaction suggest unresolved workplace tensions. The advisor can ensure grievances and disciplinary matters are handled consistently and in line with employment law and organizational policy. Providing guidance to CATH and other managers on fair treatment reduces perceptions of bias or autocratic decision-making. Effective absence management processes, including return-to-work interviews and well-being conversations, can address underlying causes of stress. Early intervention prevents issues from escalating into resignations. Furthermore, promoting mediation and informal resolution, where appropriate, helps rebuild working relationships. A positive employee relations climate strengthens psychological safety and engagement. When employees feel heard and treated fairly, they are more likely to remain with the organization. Therefore, proactive employee relations support is central to improving retention outcomes. Retention requires collaboration across the people manager, recruitment advisor, and employment relations case advisor. By working together, they can create a comprehensive retention strategy that addresses engagement, recruitment quality, and workplace relations simultaneously. Data analysis should be used to monitor turnover rates, exit interview feedback, and absence trends to identify root causes and measure improvement. Rebuilding trust is essential following the cultural shift from a family-run business to a corporate structure. Employees need reassurance, involvement, and recognition. Linking retention initiatives to business performance is also important. Stable staffing enhances care quality, improves resident satisfaction, and supports occupancy targets. Ultimately, a strategic and evidence-based approach to retention will not only reduce costs, but also restore Calmere House's reputation as a high-quality care provider. This demonstrates how effective people management contributes directly to organizational sustainability.